Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Big changes are coming to our schools starting school year 2026-2027. The Department of Education through DepEd Order 009 Series 2026, signed April 16, 2026, will be implementing the 3-term school calendar. Tara, let's talk about this. So, unsa man ang 3-term school calendar? Sa una, nagamit na sa 4 grading periods. This incoming school year, it will now be divided into 3 terms. Term 1, from June to September. Term 2, from September to December. And Term 3, from January to March. Each term will have around 65 to 69 class days, totaling 201 school days in the entire year. Kani siya na number, adherence na siya sa Republic Act 11480 na naingon, school days should not be more than 220 days. And it will start not earlier than first Monday of June and not later than the last day of August. Cada term is divided into 3 defined blocks, namely the opening block, the instructional block, and the end of term block, which is explicitly designed in order to protect instructional time, less transition, and also to improve the mastery and manage pacing among students and learners. Of course, walay labot ani ang weekends and holidays. So let's discuss each term and details. Number 1, opening block. This is implemented at the beginning of term 1 sa June. 5 days ni siya, dedicated ni siya for the beginning of school year activities. That includes students or pupil readiness, PTA and student orientation, and of course, the initial health assessment. Second is the instructional block. Here, this is the time when mastery of the teaching and learning process must be focused because this is an uninterrupted 54 to 61 days for the term. Diri gid magnaning si teacher, diri gid tanan-tanan niya gid ibuhos ang iyang pagpanudlo sa bata. And lastly is the end of term block. Here, 10 days na siya na gamiton para sa co-curricular activities, distribution sa card, remediation, aral, inset, and wellness break. Take note, sa end of term break, sa term 1, division contest. Sa term 2, regional contest. Term 3, ang national contest. Pwede na tayong mag-aral and remedial during the instructional block, but take note, it must be structured and embedded. So para ang mga competencies ma-covered yun and ang mastery ma-improve. Take note, during the wellness break, teachers should not be assigned instructional, administrative, and extracurricular activities during sa wellness break. Teachers has 2 days wellness break while students has 4 days wellness break. And this is separate pag yun sa ato ang gitawag na wellness leave. Don't worry because DepEd will also conduct a lot of orientation and trainings in this regards this coming summer. So this has been Attorney Kenner Webby Mersado saying, let's continue to empower our community with knowledge, dignity, and justice. So if you want to learn more videos about educational and Philippine laws, please follow, like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.